This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the cable from the negative terminal of the battery. Remove the protective covers on the starter motor electrical connections. Remove the electrical connections of the starter motor, then position the wiring harness aside. Remove the two starter mounting bolts. Remove the starter motor. Install the starter motor onto the mounting surface, then install the bolts. Tighten the starter mounting bolts to 46 foot-pounds. Reconnect the electrical wiring to the starter. Tighten the nuts securely. Push the protective covers onto the wiring terminals. Reconnect the negative battery cable and tighten the battery cable nut securely.